with Python before, you have to make sure that the icAroma underscore functions, maybe, but definitely icAroma.py.python is executable. So executable meaning if I do LSL, which tells me, give me more information about how long. Appropriately enough. So if I was to use this command, this change mod, so this modifies the file to add or remove certain permissions. So I could do plus or minus, and that will tell me to change the file to either add or remove a certain permission. So I can do back. To uncomment, and what I'm hitting is control forward slash. So for me, that's right by my right shift key. So if I keep hitting that, so again, I'm hitting control, my left control. So since we smoothed over a broader range, we have fewer components, and the components that potentially were just signal in the 73 component version, some of them may have gotten combined partially with other noise components, causing the algorithm for icAroma to nudge nudge those components to be closer to noise. But with this, yeah, it'll probably help you to check out the actual the actual outputs. So we'll do a nice command here. It's called xdg-open, and this will just take a default application and open it with what it thinks it should be opened with. So if we specify an HTML file, it'll try to open it in. So let's see. We'll go to IC Aroma 10mm, and we will look at melodic.ica, then report, and then 00 index. So that's with the 10mm one. So it'll open an app for us in another tab. Okay. And we can do the same thing for the 6mm. And look at all the components in here. So again, we can click around, and if you click on the images, it'll change it to mixture model fit. Okay. And no, I don't have a great explanation on how those are different right now. But if I do come up with one, to the itself, by this particular component. Z transformed. So I want to get to the it's just the probability that a particular spatial location is part of this IC. So yeah, so I think this is probably going to need a little bit more into the mathematics and how the IC or the independent component is actually derived and how independent it is from the other components, perhaps. Alright, but yeah, you can see up here, there tells how much of the explained variance this component has and how much of the total variance is explained. So we can see as we go forward, they get smaller and smaller. I want to say that total variance should be just eternally increasing, unless my interpretation of it is wrong. But I was previously thinking that the percentage of explained variance is the percentage of explained variance for this particular component, and the percentage of total variance is the total variance explained by all the components thus far. But that is not the correct interpretation, so I do not have and have a great day.